It's your boy Jason, coming at you one more again. You guessed it, inside Max Fluler's IOCC 4-wheel drive Yokomo buggy here. Here we go. Alright, here we go. Give it a once over here. Starting off, you know how he rolls. BK Servo. He's got a Hobbywing 5.5. Protec 3600 milliamp battery. You know I'm gonna say it, this car is littered with titanium. Titanium everywhere. He's running a slipper on it. XR10 Pro speed control. It's got the Yokomo servo arm. Oh, okay. Tires up front. Jconcepts swaggers. And tires in the rear. Jconcept pin downs. He's running Jconcept wheels, front and rear. Car is unbelievably low. Gosh. Let's see, let's go up to his front ball studs here. 2mm ball stud there. See, like a 1mm ball stud there. I mean, washers. Sorry about that, washers. Okay, sway bar up front. He's running a 1.4 sway bar up front. Let's see where his ball stud washer is on the steering arm here. 1mm. Looks like 3mm there on the steering rack. This titanium looks beautiful on this car. I mean, it just looks looks amazing. But anyway, front shocks up front. He's running AEV2 orange shock springs up front with 2 by 1.6mm piston up front, or 2 hole by 1.6 up front with 50 weight oil in the front shocks. Okay. And there he is, he's got the WTF fan. I think that's the 30 by 30, I think. A little trick mount that he's got mounted up. As I said before, he's got the slipper. Okay. Rear shock. He's running AEV2 yellow in the back with 2 by 1.7 pistons in there with 40 weight shock oil in the back. 40 weight. Okay, on his hub he's got 1mm washer there, or spacer. And on the mount here he's got 2mm, and he's got it down with 2mm. Sway bar on the back. He's running, let's see what sway bar. Oh, 1.6 sway bar on the back. Sorry about that. 1.6 sway bar on the back. And I'll show a setup sheet here in a little bit. His pills here. One up. See if I can zoom in on the front here. Oh yeah. and one over. Shock towers here, he's got it in the center up top, and it looks like in or in the middle on the bottom. Yeah, it's in the middle on the bottom. Front tower, he's got it in the middle up top and in the middle on the bottom. Yeah. And his body here is done by CR Graphics. They do helmets or anything you need airbrush, they do. His sponsors: Yokomo, Jconcepts, Hobbywing, BK Servo, and FDJ Motorsports tire sauce. This is sponsors. But yeah, body looks amazing. There's his wing on the back. Oops, sorry about that. There's his wing. See the tire rub there. Like I said, it's unbelievable how low they run these cars on the carpet there. Okay, going to the setup sheet here. Kind of give that time there. Okay, that's the front, as I say, the front clip or front end of the car, Max Flure's. And here's the rear of the car. Let that hover there for a little bit. And then here's what he's running. Glued front sidewall by the front, like I showed y'all before, and yeah. And that's the look inside Max Flurer IOCC 4-wheel drive Yokomo. Yeah. Shout out again to Scotty Ernest for putting this race on. I'm gonna definitely try to make it next year. I'm gonna start saving my pennies now to try to make it next year. Also, shout out to Ron Shure for putting out good motors, and also helping all the Hobbywing drivers out there. The carpet is a different kind of setup on your speed control, but shout out to Ron. If you run Hobbywing, you can go see Ron. Ron's an awesome guy. But yeah, also Joe Pillars out there. If you're running Yokomo, Joe's an awesome guy. I got to meet Joe when he come to the Jconcepts here when we had it last year at Speed RC, and he's an awesome dude. Like, just an awesome guy. Like, you can go up and talk to him. No ego, no stuck up, no rock star aura about him. Just average Joe. But yeah. But thank you, Max, for letting me film inside your cars. And this is Max Flurer's 4-wheel drive. Thank y'all guys for tuning in. Like, subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification button so when I come out with something new, you get updated. But thank y'all for tuning in. It really means a lot. And I'll talk with y'all guys later. Oh, and we got the race coming at Beach RC next week. It's the Jconcepts finale down at Beach RC. I'll be there Monday to record, or do my best to record the main event. Or I mean, not Monday, Sunday. Sorry about that. Sunday, to do my best to record the main events. If y'all see anybody's cars or anything y'all like me to try and talk, anybody y'all like me to try and talk to, or try a video inside the cars, let me know, and I'll try to make it happen. Sometimes they got some, you know, some stuff that they're working on that they don't want shown to the public. Hey, it's cool with me. But anyway, I'll try and make it happen. But thank y'all guys for tuning in. See y'all guys later.